Levi. Are you eating your cracker?
Say yes.
I'm gonna watch this video tomorrow. Make it on your phone.
Is it good? You're so big. Hi.
I can do a super duper cool trick. I sit on the
Sissy gotta do a cool trick. He's double fisting it. Takes a bite from one, then he takes a bite from another. Whoa, that's a big bite.
That's the trick. I spin
Chew it up good.
and fall off my ball. That's the trick. It's super fun.
Travis.
Like that.
Hey.
Did I do this?
You got something on your chin, Levi. Got something on your chin.
Did you see me reaching for all your hands today?
Come on, I can do this.
I can do this.
This is a cracker.
Did you? What?
Please stop.
Oh,
It's a super cool trick. So if someone tries to come after your ball, you can. If someone's trying to come after you, like on the ball, you can do
Taking a video of your baby brother eating cracker for the first time.
Really?
Chews it up pretty good.
What? It didn't get any of me.